Pydantic AI's primary mechanism for interactive model communication, the agent grounds streaming text responses in a single async context manager that yields progressively complete chunks of model output. The stream text method exposes each intermediate state of the response as a complete string, allowing real-time observation of how a Gemini model constructs an answer to a factual question about the origin of Hello World. The code initializes an agent bound to the Google GLA Gemini 3 Flash Preview model, then invokes runStream with a plain text prompt, iterating over result stream text to print each successive refinement of the model's response as it arrives.
From Pydantic AI import agent. Agent equals agent Google GLA Gemini 3 Flash Preview #1. Async def main. Async with agent runStream where does hello world come from? As result, #2. Async for message in result stream text, #3. Print message. The first known use of hello. The first known use of hello world was The first known use of hello world was in a 1974 textbook. The first known use of hello world was in a 1974 textbook about the sea. The first known use of hello world was in a 1974 textbook about the C programming language.
This fires up a Gemini agent and streams its text response chunk by chunk using runStream as an async context manager and stream text as the async iterable. Each yielded message is the full text built so far, not just deltas, so you get progressively longer strings as the model tokenizes its answer. The context manager ensures the connection closes when streaming completes. The trade-off is that without delta equals true, you get the full string on every tick, which is convenient for display, but burns more memory and CPU if you only need the incremental additions. Streaming requires an async run and works with any model that supports it, which currently is all of them. Let's break it down line by line.
From Pydantic AI import agent.
Imports agent from Pydantic AI, the central class for building AI agents.
Agent equals agent Google GLA Gemini 3 Flash Preview #1.
Creates an agent instance configured with the Google Gemini 3 Flash Preview model as its default LLM.
Async def main.
Defines an async function named main with no parameters and an empty body. Nothing executes here.
Async with agent runStream where does hello world come from? As result, #2.
Invokes the agent's runStream method with the question, where does hello world come from? As an async context manager, binding the streamed result to result.
Async for message in result stream text, #3.
Iterates over streamed text messages from the result, yielding each message as it arrives in an async loop.
Print message.
Outputs the value of message to standard output. Agent gives you a single async context manager, runStream, that holds an open connection while a model streams its answer. Each call to stream text yields the complete string built so far, not just incremental deltas, so you get progressively longer refinements on every tick. That makes it dead simple to print responses as they arrive, but it does mean you're carrying full strings through every iteration, which costs more memory and CPU than a delta-only approach. The context manager takes care of closing the connection when streaming finishes, and since every supported model supports streaming, this pattern works anywhere you swap in a different LLM.
runStream holds the context, while stream text carries the answer word by word before it ends.